for 2018. And from what we can tell, 2018 is going to be a good year, strong year of growth. We suspect that the hotel industry will extreme RevPAR numbers around 2.9% towards the end of the year. Also, the majority of that will be coming from rate growth because our occupancies are already quite high right now. We will hit an all-time record from an occupancy standpoint of about north of 66%. So all in all, for an expectation, if everything stays pretty much status quo, we will do quite well for 2018.
I think 2018 is a terrific year for the space. I believe we are in the beginning of a new cycle, that the last peak occurred in 2015, and barring any unforeseen dramatic negative events, I think there's a lot of runway of growth in the space.
I think the industry is very exciting times ahead of us here. It's been a great few years for the industry. It seems to have found an even keel footing of appropriate growth of properties to hotel performance.
Whether you think that we are at the end of a good cycle or if you think we've entered into a new cycle, I think everyone has a lot of cautious optimism. There still is a good amount of deals to talk about, which is always great to see. And new development seems to be slowing a little just because of the rise of some of the development costs, but there still are plenty of new deals to be looking at. And obviously us at Kimpton, we get really excited about adaptive reuse projects on the historical and older buildings. So we're still seeing plenty of those in the marketplace across the U.S.
I obviously see the trends in the boutique and lifestyle sector as growing and getting stronger and stronger. We always said that boutique is the jackpot, and it is proving true. Almost every panel that I hear these days, you hear the words boutique and lifestyle, and it's truly on the top of everybody's mind.
So, yes, we think it's a good time to build hotels, as long as you do the fundamentals as we do. We like to make sure we have an A site. If you come to me with a pretty good site, we're not interested. We want one of the best sites in the marketplace, and we build a hotel that is not a clone of every other hotel, and try to manage it with a kind of empowered guest service that the affluent guests have come to expect.
Going forward, my expectations for 2018 are that we'll continue to see a fairly robust year. We've had really good transaction flow over the past 6 months, seeing a fair number of construction loan requests as well as construction refinancings. Our emphasis is going to remain value add, repositionings, where new owners stepping into a property with a rebrand, large PIP, renovation, repositioning of the property, they introduce their own operator, and the level of activity has really been coast to coast.
As far as expectations for the rest of this year, I continue to see that we're going to have positive RevPAR increases. I'm positive, have a positive outlook about the market and where we are right now. Certainly some markets are more positive and have opportunities than others. Right now, I think for some markets and some investors, it's the right time to sell a hotel. We are interested in acquiring hotels as well with capital partners, as well as new management contracts, and we are looking selectively at some new build opportunities in certain markets where we see that there is a true opportunity for the right product, the right brand or independent, and generating the right return on investment.
2018, we're looking forward to continued growth. At Hyatt, we've been focusing on our franchising efforts and growing with like-minded owners who are aligned around our purpose, which is caring for people to be their best. We're focusing also on connecting with our consumers in a different way. We bought into Miraval and Exhale last year and are growing our portfolio of guests in a way that touches them in a little bit different way and focuses on caring for yourself as we care for them. So I'm looking forward to a great year. It's a good time to buy, sell, develop. We're seeing all of that activity as our volume of hotels grow.